Hello, and welcome to MNPS Transportation Department. I'm Melvin H. Fulgham III, one of the transportation managers, and Buster, who is our transportation bus, has a presentation to share with you parents of pre-kindergarten to starting up the upcoming fall. I have a safety tip um, video I would like to share with you. Petey is going to talk to us about some school bus safety tips.
Around 25 million of us students ride the bus to and from school. That's a lot. School buses are the safest way to get to school. But here are 10 things we can do to be even safer in and around buses. Try to arrive at the bus stop at least 5 minutes early. Rushing around increases our chances of getting hurt. Stay back from the road or curb while waiting. At least 6 feet, which is around 3 giant steps. When the bus arrives, make eye contact with the bus driver and wait for them to let you know it's safe to approach the bus. Look both ways. If you have to walk in front of the bus to get on, be sure to stay 10 feet away so the bus driver can see you. 10 feet is like 5 giant steps. If you drop something near the bus, don't pick it up. Tell the bus driver. This happened to me one time. I dropped the helmet from my action figure in our ditch. When you get on or off the bus, wait until it's fully stopped and the doors open. Don't approach or stand up before then. Use the handrail when getting on and off the bus and secure loose items so you don't get caught, especially in the bus doors. Loose items could include book bag straps and drawstrings on your hood. Never walk behind a school bus. Buses are big, so it's hard for the driver to see all the way around them. When you're on the bus, it's important not to distract the bus driver. Stay in your seat, keep your head, arms, and belongings inside the bus windows, and talk quietly. Keep your stuff out of the aisles. This allows the bus driver to see better behind the bus. If seatbelts are available, just like anywhere else, buckle up. If you have any questions, ask an adult. Let's have a great and safe school year.
The bus is coming.
Okay, Mom, I'll be right there.
All right, parents, we have some tips for you. Help your students to be familiar with their bus number and stop location. Practice with your students so they know where the bus stop is located and to learn their bus number when they're picked up for school for the first day. Place an index card in your child's backpack with their name and home address. This tip right here is in case when we're delivering your baby home and if they're a little frightened getting off the bus and scared for whatever reason, the bus driver may have an option to take your baby straight to the home address if we have the name and the home address instead of just dropping the child off if they're a little frightened getting off the bus. Or most drivers, when the elementary tier, we go back to the elementary. We don't want to let any child off the bus if they're not sure of their bus stop location. The Tennessee law does not mandate seatbelts on large school buses. Therefore, your child will not be wearing a seatbelt while riding the bus. At this time, we do not have seatbelts on all our Jeanette buses because that's what buses that kindergartens will ride on, but that could change in the near future. Speak with your student about the importance of good behavior when riding the bus. We want all students to ride to and from school safely each and every day. So good behavior needs to be taught by you parents so the kids know what the expectations on the school bus. To find your bus stop, go to our MNPS website, go to the transportation and bus stop, and click on Find My Bus, mnps.org. And it will come up with the nearest bus stop closest to you once you enter in the prompts of your address, your grade of your child, which would be kindergarten, and then your street address, and then it will provide you the closest bus stop information. For answers to familiar asked questions, visit MNPS.org and click on Transportation. If you have more questions, email or call family information at mnps.org or call 615-259-INFO 4636. At this time, we will open the floor for any questions that you may have. Please write those in the chat box that we can probably answer your questions at this time. Well, if we don't have any questions in our chat box at this time, we would like to thank you for taking the time out of your day to visit MNPS Transportation Department. Have a good evening.